Hello, and here's a new feature we think is very exciting, especially if you're working with lots of flashcards or if you're a teacher and you want to do things in bulk on Excel and then upload them. If you'd like to use AI or chatbots to quickly create flashcards, this will also work with those to quickly enable you to upload a lot of flashcards to help you learn. So it is bulk upload and download. If you have classes you want to export, just click here and you can quickly go to download and it will download the CSV of that class for you. We also have upload, so you can either upload them within your class, so upload extra lessons and flashcards, or upload a whole class in bulk here. You'll have to do is upload in a certain template. I have this Excel template here, which are linked also in the article and the description, and it gives you the gist of what you had to put in for this to work, which is your class name, your lesson name. What we have is object 1 and object 2. Object 1 is either the front facing of the flashcard or it is the notes or the recording URL. So all you have to do is put in the type of object it is. In this case, we have flashcard image, flashcards text. And then if you need object 2, because it has answer and question card, then you would put if it's a single answer or multiple choice. This is the format you would use here. Now, if you want to try this out quickly, what we've also got is a chatbot here to help you with this bulk upload download feature. You can just talk to this chatbot and it will kick out some flashcards for you to upload on whatever subject you want, just following a few prompts. We'll also include that in the description. We hope you like it.